I don't believe in distance in a relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
होता ही नहीं है.
It's a good thing also.
And
it's
this
a
relationship, he
hats
really
off to
is.
those people.
Yeah. This one, we just want to be with each other like all the time. He had always told me that mama, his mama, my auntie, now she's
मुंह से तेरे मम्मा ही निकलता.
is not a very easy person to please. But then even before we were given a chance to speak to our families inside the house, he knew she's going to fall in love with you. Like his mother's going to be in love with me. And I was like, why? Why do you think that? She's like, you're exactly the girl my mama wants. So you're exactly the kind of girl my mama likes. And I think this time my parents are going to be extremely proud of my choice. This is what you'd say.
Whatever it is, I am not backing up, correct? You know, so for him to accept a girl at 6 in the morning, यहाँ जा मेरा बेटा अंदर ही जा. So I'm like, bro, ये ज़्यादा हो गया.
This is over, by the way. Like,
Yeah, exactly. I figured in the
yeah,
moment.
this is stupid. So,
TMI.
I
Putting it
don't
out.
really think marriage is extremely important, to be very honest with you.
Eh?
I don't think for every girl it's very important. I feel it is extremely important because I'm with her.
It won't be wrong to say that today they are India's most loved and most popular couple. And today, actually, the song has dropped, which has already done more than 55 lakh views, which is 5.5 million views in less than half a day. So, congratulations, Tejasvi Prakash and Karan Kundra, who are in conversation with me on Bollywood Bubble. But I have to tell you that when I watch the song, the love that you have for each other, it actually comes out in your reels also when you meet each other. Like, that's how we get to see you, right? From the other end of the spectrum. I really like the song, like the vibe. Have you ever been in a long distance relationship where you've craved for time and you haven't been able to?
I think ours is a long distance relationship,
yeah.
according to him.
According to me.
According to him, because we actually don't get enough time. And I honestly feel the way we are as a couple, even if we get enough time, it'll never be enough.
Be enough, yeah.
It'll just never be enough.
I am a no. I don't believe in distance in a relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
होता ही नहीं है.
It's a good thing also.
And this
it's a
relationship, he
hats
really
off
is,
to those people.
yeah, this one, we just want to be with each other like all the time. All
This is a
the
good
time.
thing.
All the time, yeah.
मतलब ये मैं ही था, पता मेरे कुछ पुराने इंटरव्यू बोला ना, क्या चिपके रहते हो तुम लोग, क्या है, कैसे
give
लोग हो
space,
तुम,
यार,
क्या ये
space
बाबू
दिया
बाबू
करो।
करते रहते हो,
एक दूसरे को जेल में डाल दो,
क्या
क्या
कर दो, और
baby
मतलब
show ना।
जो
And this
बेइज्जतियां
is
कराई हैं मैंने
exactly
अपनी,
the
मैंने
opposite
अपनी
of-
जो लस्सी करवाई है ना मैंने अपनी लाइफ में, but that's what I'm saying.
But life, you know, when you meet the right person, you also change accordingly. How much do you think that you've changed because of, in a good way, because of each other? What things have changed in
मैं
you?
तो वो इंसान ही नहीं हूँ. I won't recognize myself if I meet me again.
Yeah, I honestly have changed in a way that, like, to me, I really have started appreciating all the things he does for me, and I'm at this stage in life. I used to always be very career oriented. Like, I used to be like very like hardworking and
Which is very
everything,
good.
and now I'm at this stage that like I just like I want him.
Sweet, sweet. You know, in the song also, they talk about a different version of love, and in the end, I was also feeling a little upset when I saw कि अच्छा बिछड़ रहे. If you've not watched the song, it's a spoiler alert. Then whatever happens in the end, it's very nice together forever. That's something that you guys have also lived. You know, in the beginning when you guys started dating, there were a lot of perceptions. How did you battle with those perceptions? Do you sometimes feel that there's a sense of validation in the kind of love that you have and the kind of love that you get from the audience?
No,
We are the
again,
way we
you know,
are,
we
and
just
honestly-
realized one
Yeah.
thing, that the kind of attention, yes, and the kind of love that we are getting,
Yeah.
we did not aim for it, right?
Yeah.
ये हमारा aim नहीं था. And I guess people are smart enough in today's world to
Yeah.
understand, and that's why they love us, because they know, you know, कि we are not fighting for this. हम अपने careers पे ही focus कर रहे हैं, और ये चीजें वो हैं जो हमें मिली हैं as a side effect of being who we are.
Yeah.
And being
Correct?
real.
And being real, correct? So I don't think वो effect करता है. कभी भी relationship पे pressure नहीं आता उसकी वजह से.
how important was it for you? Because all the time when you guys started liking each other inside Big Boss also, it was very important for both of you because you're family-oriented people, that your families like each other, right? So what was their first reaction? Like, did you get out of the Big Boss house and just ask them the first question, like, what do you think of each other? Like, what do you think of Tejas and what do you
No,
think of...
so he had always told me that mama, his mama, my auntie, now she's
मुंह से तेरे मम्मा ही निकलता है.
is not a very easy person to please. She's not a very easy person to please. But then even before we were given a chance to speak to our families inside the house, he knew she's going to fall in love with you. Like his mother's going to be in love with me. And I was like, why? Why do you think that? She's like, you're exactly the girl my mama wants. You're exactly the kind of girl my mama likes. And I think this time my parents are going to be extremely proud of my choice. This is what you said. And but I was still so nervous. But then when they did come on the screen and when Uncle said she's the heart of the family now,
Yeah.
that really did mean a lot to us, no?
Yeah.
And also when Pra said that I like him for you, and that coming from Pra is a big deal.
Is it easy, difficult to please?
Pra,
Yeah.
Brother
he's
hai
a
yaar.
brother now,
Yeah.
and
He's a
even if
brother.
he's younger, he's never
Protective.
He's never acted like he's the youngest in the family, but he's never उसकी बहनें कितनी बड़ी है इससे,
Yeah.
पर फिर भी वो प्रोटेक्टिव होता ही है, like एक भाई और बहन का वैसे होता ही है. So even if me and my brother, we just had a gap of like a year and a half, but he still is protective, and I still am motherly towards him. So what he felt about the guy that I wanted to be with was extremely important to me, and he saying that I like him for you was a massive statement for me.
What about you? The reaction from her side of the family.
From her side of the
Yeah.
family, it was okay. So you know, uncle and auntie, brother, I've never met as of, you know, because he's in the States.
Yeah.
तो पहली बात तो स्ट्रेस तो नहीं था मैं बिल्कुल भी, ठीक है. ज़रूरत तो थी obviously, because I had decided if or you know whatever it is, I am not backing off, correct? So but see the, you know, her family is very simple and very real. Okay, they're not pretentious at all. तो वो जो I can see that धीरे they've, you know, started opening up to me, and to the extent where the other day I went to her set to meet her, and auntie was there, and I was sitting with her for 3 hours.
Yeah, he was
bothering
talking to my mom.
And इसके
in my
बार-बार
vanity
हमें कभी
for
मेरे
3
फोन पे,
hours.
कभी उनके फोन पे, कभी मेरे फोन पे, कभी उनके फोन पे.
I was
What are you guys
constantly
doing? I'm
like,
here.
just come on the set and meet me. I'm getting bored here. Y'all have come to meet me, and y'all are chilling in the vanity.
We didn't go to meet her.
So just come and meet me at least. I'm like right outside the Mad Vanity. I'm giving my shot. They were like, no, we're having fun. They did not get out of the vanity. They were sitting inside the vanity for 3 hours and talking to each other.
Oh wow.
But I saw the drift in my parents as well, you know, because the first day we came out of the Big Boss house, she rang the bell at 6 in the morning. She did not have my phone number. She definitely did not have my address. And my dad opened the door, and you know, when I got to know that, my dad said, "Oh, Tejasvi, thank God you're here." I was like,
Yeah. The moment.
I was
So
like, really?
after the Big Boss finale in the morning, I go to his house. Uncle opens the door, and he's like, "Teju, you're here. Sunny's been waiting for you. Welcome home. Welcome to your home.
And
Darling, come
मेरा
in."
उल्टा होता
And
था.
I was
My
like-
dad was, he used to be like, I remember, you know, जब हम छोटे होते थे, you put black tints, no, in your car and everything, and that's not allowed. My dad is very proper. Huh? He's like, I don't like all of this. So I remember he telling me when I was a kid, he's like, Punjabi च ना, केड़ी मासियां बिठानियां होंदी तू अंदर, you know. So he's very proper that way, you know. So for him to accept a girl at 6 in the morning कि हाँ जा मेरा बेटा अंदर ही जा, so I'm like, bro ये ज़्यादा हो गया.
But lastly, you know, there's another part of the song which is beautiful, which is like, see, it has got 55 million views because you guys are popular and you guys are loved, like I said.
55 million views. Nice.
So, 55 million तो हो ही जाएगा ना, तो 55 lakh, 5.5 million, let's put it that way.
Yeah.
But you know, there's a part, Tejasvi, where you dream about the wedding. So for a girl, a wedding is very important. Do you have a dream wedding? Do you somehow feel that whatever you've done in the song is something that you actually want because you guys want to be together, and you know, eventually you guys will get married? So is there a dream
it's a statement. It's a given. Okay.
matlab,
I
Putting it
don't
out.
really think marriage is extremely important. To be very honest with you,
Eh?
I don't think for every girl it's very important. I feel it is extremely important because I am with Karan. And because I found the right man for myself,
Yeah.
and I found somebody that I can spend the rest of my life with. But otherwise, it used to always be an extremely scary thought. Sharing the bed every single day, sharing a wardrobe, just being
Sharing
in the
a
same
house,
house,
yeah.
sharing a house is a massive
Toothpaste.
deal. Every toothpaste is over, by the way. Like,
Yeah, exactly. I figured in the
yeah,
morning.
it's toothpaste. So,
TMI.
so
I think जो ये जो music video है,
yeah.
if
So,
you-
so
if you
now
look
it's
at
just
the way it
important
is-
because I'm with Karan. That's let me finish it.
हाँ. So what you said was, you know, it's the music video which is shot. You know, of course the music, the song is beautiful, but just the way the story in the music video, it's a very relatable
Yeah.
story. You know, it's not
Yeah.
just about me and Tejasvi here. Anybody who probably don't even know who we are, you know, जब वो इस वीडियो को देखते हैं तो वो एक लड़के को देखते हैं और एक लड़की को देखते हैं. They're young and you know they're probably working, और वो एक दूसरे को मिलने टाइम निकालते हैं, but there's so much love, they're having fun, they're imagining all these things, and then they part, and then how he comes back. So if you look at the video itself, it's a very beautiful video.
Yeah, it is.
Forget
It is.
Karan and Tejasvi out of it. Look at the video and the song at the same time. It's Barish, and you know it's the most
Yeah.
romantic time.
Yeah.
It is something that every boy will relate to. It is something that every girl will relate
Absolutely.
to. So
Also,
it
I
is-
think the song would have done amazing had it not even been with us. Like,
No.
I think that
No.
is how beautiful. I really
No.
feel that is how beautiful the song is.
No, the song
I
is
really
beautiful.
think so, yeah.
The song is beautiful.
But more power and more love to you guys, and I hope that we see you more often in projects together or otherwise also.
Thank
And thank you for doing this. It was a lot of fun.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
Thank you so much.
Nan.